Hey everybody, it's Seth Jones, editor-in-chief of Landscape Management Magazine. Very pleased to be doing another Zoom interview here. Today I'm being joined by Jon Hardecopf. He is the president and owner of Metro Greenscape, located in the Charlotte markets. Jon, thanks for taking the time to join me today.
Of course, thanks for having me, Seth.
Jon,
Yeah.
when you guys, I find myself in Charlotte fairly often. I don't, it's just a place that seems like there's a lot of business reasons to get down there. And whenever I go out there, I mean, it seems like it's just growing like crazy. What can you tell me about the Charlotte market? What's it like to be there right now? What are you seeing from your customers? What are the desires of the people who are you guys are working with?
Yeah, it's a fantastic market to own a landscaping company. I mean, it's growing leaps and bounds. I think last thing I read was we're the #3 metro area, I think, in the country from a growth standpoint. Because we have a lot of people moving here from the north, even from Florida. So some is escaping the heat, some is escaping the cold, and because we have mild temperatures year round. And COVID has actually increased that. Because a lot of people are working remotely and they're gonna, they tend to move into more weather-friendly environments. We're a couple hours from the mountains, couple hours from the beach, so it's a great location to live. And what we're seeing is that the trend is basically people are investing right back into their properties because they've seen over the past 6 months that they've been stuck there. They've been working from there. They're now working from home, looking out in their backyard, and they want to see something a little bit nicer to look at than when they're going into uptown Charlotte or going to work every single day. They didn't have to look at it all the time. Now they do. And so we're seeing a tremendous amount of people just investing back into their properties and creating, outdoor living space that's really just an extension of the home. So that's really, in a nutshell, that's what we're seeing. I mean, the market hasn't stopped. I mean, initially when COVID started hitting, it went down a little bit, but then it skyrocketed from a demand standpoint. I mean, at this point, we have over 10 crews out there doing installations every single week, and we're booked through April.
Oh, good.
So
that's tremendous. That's great.
Yeah, it's just high demand right now.
I just want to say thank you for the interview, and
Yep.
appreciate you reaching out. And everybody, this is Jon Hardecopf. He's the owner of Metro Greenscape in the Charlotte region. I'm Seth Jones. Thanks for watching us here on Landscape Management's At Home Edition. Thanks, Jon.
Thanks, Seth.